Aave has been one of the strongest performing altcoins for a number of weeks now, and in this video we're going to take a look and see if that trend is likely to continue and look at potential entry points for a longer term trade as well. Before I begin the analysis and share with you some ideas, I'd really appreciate if you could like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and in the comment section below I will leave two links. One to our free Telegram group where you can receive daily market updates and stay up to date with our trades, and also a link to our website where you can find out more information about us. So I'm starting off here looking at the daily chart for Aave, and we can see that sort of since the middle of the summer, July, August time, it's been in quite an aggressive uptrend in comparison with the rest of the market. And on any dips that we have had with Bitcoin and across the market, generally we've found that Aave is one of the coins that rebounds the hardest and the fastest. We can see that here from that dip that we had at the start of August. The 5th of August, rebounded really hard and then went on a massive run from there. Yeah, every pullback is getting eaten up. Now what I'm looking at for a potential aggressive entry for a swing trade or even a day trade is a pullback to around $144, 144, 140, something like that. We can see that this is quite a key level on the daily chart, going back to the highs that we saw in March. It was resistance during this period in August here, resistance there, closed above, but then recently lost it, and just in the last couple of days we've broke above that level with quite a bit of strength. So I'm looking for a retest of that 144 area, down to 140. There's some nice daily demand there. Obviously any acceptance below this, then you could look to exit the position, but as I said, this is quite an aggressive entry we're looking at, just in consideration that it has been in such a strong uptrend. So for me, obviously, yeah, we're at $151 at the time of recording this, but I just set alerts for this daily support resistance flip level around 144 to look at the reaction there. Now, if you were to look at this as a potential swing trade, I'm going to show you, potentially where this could go to. And if we zoom out to the 1 week chart, the weekly chart, we can see that actually on the bigger picture, when we zoom out, we've not really done much with this kind of bear market range, this sideways range. Yes, we are breaking from it, but realistically there's still so much upside potential for Aave. And in fact, I think it was last week or even a couple of weeks ago, we have just broke from this range here a number of weeks where it was resistance, March and April. But yeah, just broke above that, the weekly resistance at sort of 135. Good reaction from the retest this week and looking to push higher. So only really just breaking from this bear market range, and I'm absolutely pretty sure that this is going to go to, at some point, 244 is a medium term target for me. We've got this sort of weekly supply that was retested, but it's left behind. There's almost a flat top weekly candle. So I think this is a sort of my first medium term target for a swing on this, which gives a great upside move still of like 75% if you get that entry around 140, 144. And even then, beyond that, there's still so much upside. A lot of liquidity up at this wick here, even at sort of $400. So yeah, a lot of potential still on Aave, despite being in such a strong uptrend. Yeah, so just to recap, 140, 144 is my first area of interest to look for a new position, with my targets at 240 and 445 in the medium to long term. Let me know your thoughts, guys, on Aave. Are you holding it? What are your price targets? And I will see you on the next video.